creations, Matt's custom creations. Watch your man build, watch your man build, watch your man build. Lego for you.
Hey everybody, it's Matt from Matt's Custom Creations, and I want to thank you for hanging with me in 2020. I know it's been a tough year for a lot of people. It has been for our family. Unfortunately, we had COVID in our family over this Christmas time, but everybody is well. Nobody got sick, so we're very thankful for that. And I'm looking forward to bringing you lots of new content in 2021. I hope to set some new records. And in that vein, I want to show off these world speed record holder cars that I designed. One is more of a modern one, and the other is like what it would look like one of the 30s Streamliner cars. Anyway, I hope 2021 is a much better year than 2020 was, and we got to move on. And I hope things look up for you in 2021 too. Thanks again. Happy New Year.
First off, we have this car that I call the Silver Arrow, which is a land speed record car that is an homage to the famous Golden Arrow car from 1929. This headrest rear cowl fairing piece is interesting. Once again, I dip into the parts that came with this kit of non-Danish foreign manufacture. I just love the streamlined styling of the Art Deco period. Here's a top view of this beast, and underneath you can see I tried to keep it as smooth as I could. Well, it's off to Daytona Beach to see if we can beat that 231.45 miles per hour record. And now we shift gears to the Bonneville Salt Flats, where we take a look at this land speed record car that I call the Blue Monster, which is a mashup taken from Malcolm Campbell's Bluebird cars and Art Arfon's Green Monsters, even though I don't think there was ever any green on the Green Monsters. Each wheel is made from pressing two of the radar dish pieces together. Once we take the main cowling off, you can start to see the engine, and the side fairings are hinged so you can get better access to the engine. Here's another view of how those cowlings open up. Here we see the canopy lifted up for the cockpit. That canopy piece, I'm sure, is from a Star Wars kit. Then in the back you see this little door is actually an air brake, and now we'll see what it looks like when it's open. Here's a view of the heart of the beast. Here's the tail end, and here's a view looking from back to front with the cowling removed and the canopy removed. Here's what it looks like from underneath, and here's what it looks like stripped down with a lot of the body parts removed. But let's put this thing back together because we're going to make another run. Hopefully we're going to set and break new records in the new year. Thanks everybody. Bye.